Get ready to be impressed. From waterfall islands to rainfall showers, from hardwoods to granite, this home is a true standout. The kitchen is remodeled, current, and fresh, with updated appliances and elegant style. Upstairs, a private retreat with a luxury bathroom you have to see. Downstairs is like a private suite. It has its own entrance and a full kitchen. Out back, a gardener's and entertainer's dream. Throw in a great Springfield location and everything is at your fingertips. There's not much more to say. This home is a dream.